Good morning, everybody. This is Crazy Tristan jumping up in the air for snow. Let's see if I can film and do it. Ready? You're goofy. What a goof. Jeez, I'm multitasking. Oh my God, what a dork. I'm talking about me. You're goofy, kid. Here. Wait, we gotta get some more snow. I guess this is a good way to tire him out on a rainy day. Oh boy. Ready? We gotta get more snow. Get some more. We'll get it out of this, huh? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Ready? I'm all out of snow for now. Okay, that's long enough. Have a good day.